3 heat, speed settings. Cold shot button sets the style. Removable end cap for easy cleaning. The package dimension of the product is 3.8 L x 10.7 W x 9.5 H. Revlon's new RV408-1875W full-size turbo dryer has everything you need in a hairdryer with its 3 heat, speed settings, cold shot button to set your style and removable airflow concentrator attachment. This dryer is great for all your styling needs. This dryer also features a removable end cap for easy cleaning and a hanging ring cord guard for convenient storage. Top reviews from the United States. Cool shot switch. Cool shot button seems to have long-lasting micro switch instead of the slide switches that fail in the smaller, less expensive unit. We'll see how long it lasts. I use the cool shot button about 10 times more than the power switch, and I hold it W to cool down the dryer before slipping into a plastic travel bag.